Welcome back to Cheryl here today. Today I want to give you a tour of my patio, how it's looking so far for spring. And if you want to see what it looks like, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to start over here with this pot we have in the corner with this beautiful clematis vine. It has two different types in there, as you can see. Look how big the blossoms are. They will probably last longer because they have a little bit more shade in there, putting out more blossoms. And over here I just have my partially variegated ivy in this pot, and these two Adirondack chairs that my husband painted. But let me show you again. Over here I have my berry smoothie coral bells and my lemon coral bell that I planted. If you wanted to see my unboxing, check it out. This is my little Hosta garden. So I see some of them I might have to move because they're going to get too large. So I'm going to turn over here. I've showed you this before, the hardy ice plant. But look at my frog. I repainted him. Well, repainted her because I gave her some orange toenails. And guess what, guys? They glow in the dark. I don't know if I ever stay up late enough to see them glow in the dark, but if I'm up tonight, I may come check it out. So we're going to step over here, and these are my hens and chicks. Left them out all winter. We had a mild winter, but they're doing well. And that's a sedum of some kind. I cut it back to see if I can get it thicker. We have some red million bells and in this pot, and also in that pot over there. And just I don't know what you call this. It's just a filler. And then we have some orange million bells in this pretty blue pot, and in this pot as well. Some more hens and chicks. I had to redo this one at the bottom. I had an issue with some ants, but I see the ants look like they're back. Oh gosh, I don't want to have to redo this pot. I'm going to move it because I don't want them to get back into my pot. Okay, so back over here on the patio, right here I just have a geranium starting to bloom. I might cut it back to make it thicker, not sure. And up there on the fireplace is, I keep wanting to call it an aloe, but it's not. But I'll let you know what it is in a second when it comes to mind. Okay, so we put out some hummingbird feeders. We haven't filled them yet because I think it's still a little bit too cool for the hummingbirds. But here's a little hosta area here. We multiply these things every year. Most of them are almost the same, but this one is a different one, so I'm gonna make sure I divide that one this year. And then this is I wanted to call it a Dale, but it's not. If you know what it is, because my brain ain't working, I'll let you know. And there's another hosta here, and two more hostas here at the end of the steps. And as we come up on the patio, these are two perennials that I purchased. Let's see, I can't recall. Early peacock saxifrage. Is that how you say it? But anyway, we'll see how long this lasts when it gets hot here. So far they're doing well because it's been warm and cool days. And this is a trumpet vine. It blooms orange. So when that gets to blooming, I'll show you. And this is a Lenten rose. I thought it looked great in this pot. The colors are similar. And then over here, this bulb is coming up. That's a allium bulb. We thought we got them all out, but apparently not. And then we have a pretty purple petunia and a, what do you call this plant, y'all? Y'all know, salvia. And then we have a couple of our cactuses over here. You see, I got my statue here. He needs some work done. His face is starting to peel. And then we have some more hostas here. And we put this baker's rack out here and put some plants on there. And here's my fairy. We painted her a little bit this time. And she looks pretty. And then we got some more hostas down here. And that's miniature Japanese maple. And then a little pagoda. And look at these. Look at that hosta. I want to divide that one next year. Probably in the fall. And if I do that, I'll be sure to show you. Look at my cat. And there's another hosta. There's some leftover, I want to call them petunia pansies. They're still hanging in there. And that's my guy there. His hair's starting to grow. So when he turns blonde, I'll be back to show you guys. This is my daylily I purchased to check out my unboxing. This is called Bella Lugosi. It's coming up nice. Believe it or not, I had it planted upside down. I had to change it around. And over here is nothing happening, but that's where I planted my canister. So check out that video if you want to see how I planted those rhizomes or bulbs inside a large pot. And then you see my hydrangeas here in the background. They're filling in. The leaves are getting bigger. I was worried because they were coming out kind of little. You hear Teddy, he knows I'm out here. Over here, this is my Annabelle hydrangea that I purchased from my unboxing. So I had to put it in here till it gets bigger, because it won't, it'll be too small to put in the hole. And then this is what I'm going to be doing as a tapestry. And this is Lithonia. And this is another golden sedum. You see it back there. I'm going to fill it in with some more portulacas like I did last year. And here is a yellow million bells. We're going to get some more million bells to put in these black pots. And then here I have my globe and my other fairy. And then that's my donkey tails. It's looking kind of yellow, so I don't know if it's getting too much water or if it needs to be transplanted. If you guys know, be sure to comment below. Down here I have clematis. Look at the big blossoms that are getting ready to open. They'll probably open in a couple of days. And some more sedums. And Lithonia. Look at this big one. And some more million bells there. And then let's see, I gotta fill in, that's a blue star creeper right there. Hope it blooms and stays well. Just put it there for now to see what's going to happen. These are some more sedums. So they're going to fill in this my tapestry up here. And that is about it, guys, for how we've started decorating and planting on a patio for this spring. So I hope you come back by when we get some more annuals and things start growing in the pots. I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing if you like gardening. And I'll see you guys.